Did COVID come from nature? I say yes, it came from deer. Please, watch video to see evidence. Thank you. As we see from CNN Health, in February 2019, in 24 states, increased number infected deer. Was it prion disease or COVID? Let's find out. In 2020, scientists find that 80% of deer is COVID positive and they have ACE2 receptors similar to humans. So what caused coronavirus to mutate to COVID? Exactly same answer what caused mutation of proteins to prions. It's pesticides. Pesticides cause mutation in RNA which creates prions, and on the other hand it can create spike proteins which are prion-like domain in spike protein. 2020, deer got herd immunity for COVID. There is no more deer mass dying as it was in 2019. Remember, with prion disease, there is no herd immunity, so numbers would be much worse today. I don't agree with Penn's study that deer got COVID from hunters. I believe hunters got COVID from deer. Touching or processing deer, hunters get exposed to body fluids, and this is one of the ways to get COVID. Every September and October, deer comes to our garden to eat our fruits and vegetables, and this is one of the ways how they can contaminate fruits and vegetables with COVID. Scientists in Italy found COVID antibodies in blood samples from September 2019. So this is evidence that COVID was circulating the world before December 2019. Number one evidence that COVID originates from deer, it's deer body temperature, which is higher than human. Deer body temperature is 40 Celsius or 105 Fahrenheit, which is higher than human body fever. Scientists were wrong in 2020. All the scientists, they believe that spring or summer come and high temperature will make COVID die off. It never happened because COVID used to high temperatures. Here I explain difference between coronavirus before 2019 and COVID. Exposure to cold or drinking cold drink lowers body temperature below 37 Celsius. This creates perfect condition for coronavirus from 1965 to 2018 and replicates in your cells, creates common cold symptoms. Body reacts to virus creating fever, increasing body temperature to 38 to 40 Celsius, which kills coronavirus, but not COVID. Here I'm explaining how spike protein of COVID-19 is attaching to angiotensin converting enzyme receptor and it's infecting cells. By it we see here are the most 5 critical cells with angiotensin converting enzymes. It's nasal oral cavity epithelial cells, lungs, bronchial alveolar epithelial cells, stomach, small intestines, colon, and eyes. Second group are the cells which cause long COVID. It's heart, blood vessels cause myocarditis, brain causing brain fog and depression, cells in kidney, bladder, kidney failure, pancreas, alpha, beta, delta cells, diabetes, liver, gallbladder, and we have testes and ovaries, lowering testosterone, causing infertility, red blood cells, blood clots, and heart attacks, strokes. Here I'm explaining how high estrogen from lifestyle of 21st century it's affecting the cells with angiotensin converting enzymes, receptors. The estrogen is freely traveling to the inside the cell and increasing number of ACE2 receptors, which are making easier to COVID to be attached to cells and that way making worse symptoms. On the other hand, estrogen is also affecting fibroblasts. Fibroblasts, with stimulated with estrogen, they release interleukin 6, which causing cytokine storm and it's worsening symptoms of COVID. Watch next video, COVID Prevention, Part 2. Why no single president or king died from COVID? Because of high testosterone. Ego boosts testosterone. Fear lowers testosterone. Don't be afraid. Why Amish people in USA and Arabic people in Middle East were not affected by COVID? It's because this area people eat bread every day. Gluten lowers estrogen and increases testosterone. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to see next video about COVID prevention. Thank you.